You're painting Skye?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
And where's Skye from?
From here.
Yeah, but what TV show is she from?
And the Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol.
Yeah. From the TV into the cartoon material.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, guy.
There's Skye. All nicely wrapped, isn't it? Oh. Wow. Is that Skye?
Yeah. See, pink here, pink here.
Some red. Put the red and mix it and make orange. So get the yellow. Put some on the cardboard. Yeah, and then you just use that to paint Skye. And you know what Skye looks like, so see. You can use that to copy. Well done. Remember to wash your brush every time. What have you done so far, Savannah? Is that what Skye is meant to look like? Savannah, do you like painting?
Yeah.
Why do you like painting?
Because I like the shells. That's how my guy looks.
Is that what you think Skye looks like?
Yeah.
You want to show the camera? Yeah?
Bye, Whisker. See you next time.